everyone, today I am back with a new video on Introduction to Income Tax. Now the subject that we are going to start with, that is income tax, is one of the most beautifully crafted subjects that you will ever come across as a commerce student. Why so? Because this subject is solely based on logic. I will not talk about things which are not important or relevant, and we'll simply come down to the topic. We are going to study income tax. So the first question which comes to our mind is, what is tax? Now tax is a compulsory contribution which the public makes to the government revenue. Okay, so it is a compulsory payment made by the public to the government. But why does the government levy taxes? The government levies taxes because it is a source of revenue for the government, and this revenue is used for meeting government expenditure on defense, on infrastructure, that is building roads, dams, hospitals, on healthcare, on education, etc. So basically tax is a source of revenue for the government, and from the point of view of public, it is a compulsory payment which has to be made to the government. Irrespective of whether you feel like paying the tax or not, you will have to pay it because it is a compulsory financial charge. Now what are the types of taxes? There are basically two types of taxes. One is direct tax and the second category is indirect tax. डायरेक्ट टैक्स के एग्जाम्पल्स हम कह सकते हैं इनकम टैक्स एंड वेल्थ टैक्स, एंड इनडायरेक्ट टैक्स के एग्जाम्पल्स में आता है गुड्स एंड सर्विस टैक्स एंड कस्टम ड्यूटी. नाउ वी विल स्टडी दिस टॉपिक इन डिटेल. we'll study the types of taxes, how they are levied, but in today's session we will cover section 4, that is basis of charge. Now section 4 is considered as the backbone of Income Tax Act in India. Now Income Tax Act 1961, enacted in 1961, is the constitutional provision which governs the rules and regulations related to the levy of taxes in India. It is related to the levy and collection of income tax, determination of taxable income, determination of tax liability, the constitutional provisions in case of penalties, etc. So we'll study this topic in detail, but our main focus will be on section 4, that is basis of charge. And section 4 is also called as the backbone of Indian Income Tax Act. Okay.